Hey everyone, welcome to DiamondView, where our mission is to find value in the crypto space and hopefully help you make some capital gains along the way. Today we're looking at the OVR coin and why this project has a lot of potential for huge growth in the future. This project would fall under a high risk category investment. As always, this is not financial advice and make sure to do your own due diligence. But overall, I'm really waiting for the market to wake up and find this project, as I think it has potential to really make some massive strides in the space. OVR, or Over the Reality, is a world-scale open-source AR platform on the Ethereum blockchain. It allows any user with a mobile device to experience live interactive AR in the real world through their free app. It's a decentralized infrastructure for the spatial web, merging physical and virtual worlds through augmented reality. It creates a new dimension where pretty much anything is possible. What makes the project so compelling is the many different potential avenues of value that the team is building with one project, not only in the NFT space, but also by combining AR, gaming, live events, and more. The team is built up of builders, coders, and visionaries with offices based out of Italy and Estonia. Let's first look at, in my opinion, OVR's most fascinating concept, which is virtual real estate ownership. The OVR platform is a virtual layer over the physical world. This layer is comprised of 1.6 trillion hexagons that cover the entire planet, with each hexagon having specific coordinates and a unique 3-letter name. Investors can buy OVRLand hexagons using OVR tokens. A bid on the hexagon generates an auction with the minimum floor price right now at $10 in OVR tokens. The auction closes 24 hours after the last bid, and the winner gets an NFT representing the OVRLand hexagon, which is minted and sent to your wallet. For example, if I wanted to buy a virtual hexagon like a specific one over the Eiffel Tower, I would first create a bid, and if no one else outbids me during that 24-hour period, I become the owner of that NFT on the blockchain. We can see that ownership of these lands is already becoming increasingly popular and adopted quickly, with over 104,000 closed auctions in the past few months. That number is really growing each day throughout the entire world. Once bought as a virtual landholder, owners will soon have the power and ability to decide what content they want to create or show on that specific geographic location. This brings us to the next point of creating on top of the virtual layer. The OVR SDK is currently under development and will be released to the public soon, allowing the building to start happening. If you can code on Unity, you will be able to create new AR content and experiences within OVRLand. In addition, users will have the ability to buy and sell these digital creations, with the marketplace launching in the future. Crypto NFT artists could take marketing and selling of their digital art to a whole nother level. Rather than just selling on a website, OVRLand will provide NFT artists with a better option of displaying their art through a virtual art gallery along with a readily available marketplace on the OVR platform. OVR currently has a program that grants buyers cash back to each OVRLand auction within the first 9 months of launch. The launch was on November 30th of 2020, and in December of 2020, you could claim 95% of what you spent for an OVRLand back after another month. This cashback percentage falls 10% each month, but lasts until the 9th month post-launch date. This means you could buy OVRLand right now and be eligible for cashback each month until August of 2021. Another great feature OVR has is the ability to stake your OVR coins. There are currently 3 different staking options that can earn coin holders interest back. Stakers can choose from 5% APR with no lockup of their coins, 3 months lockup with 10% APR, and 6 months lockup with 15% APR. This is a great way to earn some interest in return for coin buyers' loyalty to the platform. OVR runs a blog that has been consistently posting almost every week for the past 2 years, updating the world on everything surrounding OVR. It might not seem like a big deal, but it's very important to have a solid marketing team with open communication. It provides a simple way for their investors to stay up to date with their platform and see what's currently happening around the crypto space. There's plenty of interesting topics they cover, including everything from NFTs to real estate, and of course, augmented reality. Again, what makes this project really interesting to me is its ability to combine augmented reality with reality so seamlessly in the real world. It creates a great union between the real and the digital realm. Anyone with a modern mobile device can experience this in real time. With AR, anything really is possible. You could create or generate a digital Michael Jordan playing basketball at your local park, or have African elephants walking down Times Square. The possibilities are really endless. I think these kind of foundation projects that users can build upon, like an Ethereum, a Minecraft, or a Decentraland, are really game changers. They excel because the value comes from the users on top of the platform, the extent of their creativity, and what they decide to design within the metaverse. OVR also has a vision of live events on their platform in the future. Through AR, fans will be able to attend live concerts of their favorite artists while in the comfort of their home. The artist is visualized through their 3D avatar, which is a hyper-realistic model. The movements are recorded and reproduced in real time to recreate a live performance. Along with the artist, each user has their own unique 3D avatar, granting them the ability to interact and communicate with the artist in real time. This is really an interesting concept. I think it makes a lot of sense and has many valuable use cases, especially with the current environment of COVID and social distancing restricting in-person events. OVR's AR playground on their app is super fun to play around with, and I encourage everyone to try it out. It reminds me a little of Snapchat, but with more advanced AR technology attaching onto the real world around you. The most insane one I thought is the template with the virtual globe that pops up. After selecting a certain point on the globe, a portal opens up and you can walk into that part of the world. You can literally teleport around the world through AR. Other templates include spawning a basketball hoop you can shoot into, a life-size car you can customize, and bringing wildlife to the space right in front of you. The app already has a great foundation with these AR examples, showing all future creators the possibilities of AR. I expected the team to continue to build and create even more AR experiences in the future, continuing to make them more advanced and user-friendly over time. Along with OVR's live AR experiences, Marketplace, and virtual auctions, which can be accessed through their app, they also have a fun game called Treasure Hunt. Powered by GPS and computer vision, it has very similar tech to Pokemon Go and works pretty much the same. There is no cash to this, the app is completely free. I've hunted for treasure around my neighborhood for almost a week now, collecting OVR tokens along the way. The GPS can get tricky at times, but I still was able to find treasure more often than not. The rewards in each chest randomly span from 1 to 100 OVR tokens, with a limit of 1 chest per user per day. So let's say you open a chest and it contained 100 OVR. I wish I could get that lucky. That would be worth over $275 right now at OVR's current price. Again, this is a totally free app and game. The ability to find OVR treasure while getting some steps in along the way seems like a win-win to me. Now let's take a look at the price of this project. Even though the price has consistently increased over the past few weeks, this price point still seems very appealing to me with the potential scope of this project. You probably noticed how small of a market cap this coin is right now. This is right around a micro cap coin, and in my opinion is a very big sleeper in the NFT, AR, and gaming space. I think there is a ton of room for growth here, but again, this is a really small market cap coin, so there is increased risk, so do your own research here. You might be asking, doesn't the virtual real estate become extremely expensive as the OVR coin price goes up? Well, OVR actually has a system in place to deter this between the $10 minimum floor of a single hexagon and the curve issuance. As the price goes up, so does the supply of the OVR coin. You can buy OVR coins through their website OVR.ai after passing a Know Your Customer verification. Another option, which is much easier and the more popular route, and what I did when I was purchasing this coin last week, is to connect your MetaMask wallet to Uniswap and convert your ETH over to OVR there. Make sure you have enough Ethereum in your wallet to cover any gas fees. A good tool for this is to check ethgasstation.info and check the recommended gas prices. In addition, make sure to add OVR to your wallet, as it's currently not a native coin within MetaMask, which you can simply do by clicking this fox symbol on CoinGecko. Some very recent big news is that OVR announced that OVR tokens can now freely move between Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. This is massive news as OVR has officially become multi-chain. It also hints to me that a listing on Binance is very much a possibility now, as Binance runs a BSC. Remember, OVR is not currently on any large mainstream exchanges, meaning there's a lot of potential for more people to find out about the platform and create growth around the token. In conclusion, OVR is an app, virtual real estate platform, and a visualization tool, yet I believe it can be so much more. Its decentralized infrastructure to localize, host, and build geo-localized AR experiences brings a massive potential value to the crypto space. With future contents that are open and unstoppable, currently only the app can connect to these, but we can envision a future where anyone can tap into the content and visualize it. The team's vision is to build a fun and interesting AR app but also to build an infrastructure for the entire spatial web. That's a value proposition that, in my opinion, you want to be a part of. If you enjoyed the video, we would greatly appreciate a like and subscribe. And remember to turn on those bell notifications for more videos on the best crypto projects in the future. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.